Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best payment stack for marketplaces by doing a comparison between Shopify Payments and Stripe Connect. If you're looking for the best payment stack tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Stripe's unique selling proposition is offering robust APIs that are easy to integrate and customize. Such an API-first approach makes Stripe a developer-centric company. And it works. The fintech giant achieved unicorn status in about 3 years of launch and surpassed $1 trillion in total payment volume 10 years faster than PayPal. Stripe currently commands a 21% market share of the global payments industry. As of recent Stripe statistics, the payment giant is one of the most valuable private fintech companies worldwide, boasting a valuation of $64 billion. The Stripe system is said to offer a 99.99% uptime, which is exceptional in every sense. Notable Stripe features include seamless integration options, APIs, SDKs, payment acceptance and processing offline or through customizable checkout on mobile, laptop, and desktop. Support for 100 payment methods like cards, bank debits, bank redirects, bank transfers, BNPL, real-time payments, vouchers, and wallets. Ability to build feature-complete payment products and localize experiences across 118 countries. Support for 135+ local and international currencies. Custom revenue and financial automation tools like Sigma, Atlas, and Stripe billing for reporting, incorporation, revenue recognition, tax and VAT automation, invoicing, and billing. Shopify Payments is an inbuilt payment processor designed to help Shopify merchants collect and process payments natively. The payment solution is included in your Shopify plan. You don't have to integrate a third-party payment service. Shopify partnered with Stripe to launch the payment gateway in 2013 as a white-labeled solution. Most e-commerce platforms did not include a point-of-sale, POS, solution or an in-house payment processor back then. Hence, integrating Shopify Payments as part of the subscription package was a genius idea. Retailers benefited from seamless checkout experiences. It eliminated the need to hire developers or design storefronts. Shopify Payments extends the many incredible benefits of using the Shopify platform. Few companies have impacted e-commerce more than Shopify. It has many key features like bundled into the Shopify Commerce Platform Plan. You just create an account and start selling. Supports notable payment options like credit and debit cards, digital wallets, online payment tools, manual payments with card reader tools, and terminals. Supports local and international payment methods in 23 countries with more than 130 currencies. Seamless integration with over 100 payment providers and various kinds of Shopify stores. Your product options are unlimited. You can overhaul your digital cart and checkout page and integrate purchase buttons into existing Shopify websites. Extensive data analytics and reporting tools. Secured checkout with address verification services and card verification value fraud filters. Shopify Payments transfers funds from sales to your bank account on your preferred schedule, typically daily. Excellent abandoned cart recovery email workflows and discount codes for better conversion rates. Only businesses using the Shopify platform can use Shopify Payments to process payments. The centralized payment suite has all you need as an SME or a major retailer. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.